Hello?
Michelle,
Yeah?
hey, this is Jerry. I was calling from Exterior Roofing. How are you today?
I'm okay.
Awesome. So we actually were offering free roof inspections in your neighborhood. Do you know how old is your roof?
It's old. Where are you
Okay.
guys out of?
Well, we're in Linden Avenue next week, and we're actually in Eau Claire doing inspections after the storm.
Yeah, I'm in the middle of trying to figure it out with my insurance.
Okay, okay, cool. Well, you could at least, have it checked. It's a free inspection. Would you be home Tuesday, let's say?
Um, no, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
if you can do an inspection without me being here, and give me an estimate, that's great, but I have a really full schedule.
Okay, okay. So what time would be good for you if you want to tell me so I could check, We have some slots opening this week and next week from Tuesday.
Is it a free estimate?
Yes, free estimate and a free checkup for the roof.
Yeah, I won't be here, so it doesn't matter to me.
Got you. But you're going to be out this whole week, next week?
I work every day from like 9 to 5. I'm gone from like 8:30 till 6.
Got you, got you. Anytime after 6 maybe? Because we have slots after, 6:30 as well. Last slot is for 6:30 if you can do it. Not
And
going to take more than 20
it's a
minutes.
free
Yeah.
estimate.
Totally free. We're not gonna, charge you anything. It's just to check if your roof is in good shape. You
Okay.
think 6:30 would work on Tuesday?
On Tuesday?
Uh-huh.
Sure.
Okay, great. So I'll put you in for Tuesday at 6:30, and they'll give you a call before they come up. They'll give you a call to confirm with you guys. And I have your address as 1410 Lindell Avenue. That's you, right?
Yep. And what's the company?
The company is Exterior Roofing Solutions.
Mhm.
Okay. Do you have an email where I could send over our info so that you could check as well?
I'd prefer to keep my email out of it right now. My
Okay,
email's
no problem.
overwhelmed.
No problem. Just meet the experts on Tuesday at 6:30. They'll give you a call, okay?
All right.
All right, thanks, Michelle. And how
Thanks.
old
Bye.
did you say? More than 15 years? It is?
It's like
Mm-hmm.
maybe '07 or something.
Okay, 7. Great. And it's shingles, right?
It's shingles. Yeah, I mean it was
Okay.
replaced like '07 or '08, so it's
Oh, oh,
up
07.
there.
Okay, 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 okay. Pretty old
Probably
stuff.
like
Okay, great.
15 years old. Yeah. Yeah.
15. Okay. All right, Michelle. Let's talk to you on Tuesday. Exterior Solutions, and my name is Jerry, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.